Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from 2 Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Otter AI from recording. If you want to stop the Otter AI from recording every meetings, then you can follow the simple step. Open up your Otter application or simply log into Otter AI in a web browser and make sure that you're inside your main homepage. After you're logged into your account, tap on the menu bar at the top left and then tap on your name located at the top. This will open up the settings page. From the settings menu, tap on meeting settings. Under autopilot, tap on auto join all meetings and toggle off the button right next to auto join all meetings. Tap on yes, turn it off in the pop-up, and once you disable the auto join all meetings function, you'll be able to stop Otter AI from recording every meetings. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these tutorials again. Thank you for watching.